Hi, this is Mark Linger with Reroof America. We're here today at the site of a charity roof for Rebuilding Together. Reroof America Contractors is one of the main sponsors, along with ABC Supply and GAF. This house was built in 1905. This neighborhood is financially challenged. There's definitely some need for some help. The lady who owns this house is disabled, and we're working with Rebuilding Together to provide her a brand new roof. You can see that we're almost done. We have the Reroof America synthetic felt there, a nice watertight roof. They're just finishing up the top and the back side today. Just one of a charitable project from Reroof America, the UASRC, and our partners. UASRC is the United Association of Storm Restoration Contractors, which Reroof America is a proud founder. Kind of makes you feel good about what we do, helping people.